Wow. What are you looking at? Yeah.
I'm not taking a picture.
I'm making a video.
Hello. What are you looking
Oh,
at? What are you looking at?
You felt it?
Whoa.
Mommy,
Yeah, honey.
it's going to rain the water.
No, I think it's just gonna rain a little.
Whoa, what are you doing?
Not too heavy.
Yeah.
Mama, you say we can swim by rain.
I think it's gonna rain just a little bit, but you can't swim in the rain. That's dangerous.
The lightning's what makes it dangerous. Rain's fine.
Thanks, Encyclopedia Too Many Facts.
Hey.
I'm getting water rain. Mom,
Yeah.
we're not getting water when you dry me.
Yes, I will.
First.